back to our channel. So we are here with a new concept in our channel, an experience of 3 months with HomePod Mini review. Apple announced the HomePod Mini back in October. I've been using it ever since. Let's see what it can do and how it helped me for the past 3 months. It's one of the cheapest devices Apple has ever released. It's almost affordable for most of us, although it's going head to head with devices that can cost a fifth of that price at times, with the Amazon Echo Dot or Google Nest Mini being seen as its chief rivals. However, Apple believes that a combination of its Siri voice assistant and excellent sound quality will win the day, and there are a number of impressive things about this tiny speaker. So here we go. The first of these is the setup process. You'll need an iPhone or an iPad to use the HomePod Mini, and you can simply hold your device near the new HomePod Mini and the connection is instant. This is a very inoffensive looking speaker too, with a small spherical design that takes up far less space than the original HomePod. The latticed fabric shell blends nicely into the background and the top glows with a pleasing light, although I do wish there was an option to dim it or turn it off at night for when I'm listening to calming music at night as I'm drifting off to sleep. As for me, the audio performance is the key reason to buy the HomePod Mini. It's excellent for a speaker that's so small, and it really feels like the right mix of price and sound quality. The bass isn't too heavy, vocals aren't lost in the mix, and when you pair two minis, the stereo experience is really immersive. However, if you don't have an Apple Music account, you're rather limited when it comes to music streaming. You cannot ask the HomePod Mini to play anything through Spotify. That can only be enabled through AirPlay and requires using your phone rather than the simpler method of asking Siri to play tunes with your voice. Essentially, you'll need a subscription in order to make full use of your HomePod Mini. Thanks for the Apple Music subscription I already had, but since Spotify is available in Sri Lanka now, you might have to compare HomePod Mini with some other smart speakers if music streaming is a consideration to you. One of the biggest issues I encountered for the past 3 months was when using the HomePod as a smart voice assistant. It works best if your family is set up with multiple Apple devices, but controlling your smart home devices with your voice is still hit and miss. I experienced multiple occasions when lights would turn on and off on command, only for a lamp or a plug socket to randomly stay on, requiring me to issue a second command in order to get it to switch off. Whatsoever, if you like using Siri and you've got an Apple Music subscription, buying a couple of HomePod Minis should be an easy choice. The sound quality is exceptional for the size, and the interconnection with Apple Smart Home is largely strong in spite of some issues. Well, the overall experience with HomePod Mini was pretty good than I ever expected. Yes, it does have some ups and downs, yet for me, ups are way more higher than the downs. Now, it's your call, guys. Let us know what you think of this device and would go for it. Comment down below and give us a like if you loved it, share it with your loved ones, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Until then, I'm Amani signing off from Geek Forum.